materials, assigning materials. We're going to take this wall, which is Agent Generic Wall, which does not have any materials, assign it to stucco, and we're going to color it. Alright, so I'm going to first have to add that stucco and the color that I would like to create. So I'm going to go to Manage, Materials, and I'm going to click Add, New Material. Gives me default new material. Right mouse click on it, rename it. I'm going to call it Stucco Orange. Then I'm going to have to go to my library, find stucco. Then after I hit stucco, I hit enter, find the kind that I like. I like coarse. Move it over by clicking that arrow, take it out. It got moved over. I'm going to change it to orange, a little bit more orangish. There we go. I like the graphics to be a little bit lighter. Initially I say the same, then I take it off. Just the same shade, but just a little lighter. Say OK. So it's going to look like this. So orange stucco, appearance is going to look like this. Graphics is going to look like this. I say OK. So I have created a material that I'm going to use. Now I'm going to take my wall. I'm going to edit that wall. And I'm going to edit that wall, duplicate, generic 8-inch, stucco, -orange, and I say OK, and I say edit, and I'm going to go here. It's hard to look for, it's all black, but if you hold your mouse here and click, not knowing where you're going to click, you see that 3 dot right before it happens. You pick orange, and you say OK, and so it is now orange stucco. Say OK, and we say OK. So now my walls, this wall needs to be that orange stucco. So I'm going to turn around and look at this wall, and consistent colors, it looks like this. If I go realistic colors, it's a little darker. So now what I like to do is take out the roof. Here's my roof. Take it out for a second, hide the element, take all my walls and put them in that category of 8-inch. Take this one, put it in the category of 8-inch stucco. Now I have 4 walls that are made out of stucco.